Planning a dental holiday in Turkey? Smart move. You're going to save thousands on dental work and get to explore an amazing country at the same time. But if you've never done medical tourism before, you probably have a million questions. Where do you fly into? When do you book? What do you pack? How do you plan your time? Let me walk you through exactly how to plan your dental trip to Turkey step by step. Step 1. Choose your destination city. Most dental tourism in Turkey happens in two cities, Istanbul and Antalya. Istanbul is the biggest city, tons of clinics, amazing history, and sightseeing. The downside, it's a bit busy, crowded, and the traffic can be intense. Antalya, on the Mediterranean coast, beautiful beaches, more relaxed vibe, still plenty of excellent clinics. Step 2. Choose your clinic and treatment. Do this before you book anything else. Research clinics, check their accreditations, look at before and after photos, read reviews from UK and US patients specifically, contact few clinics or work with someone like me who can match you with vetted options. Get detailed quotes, confirm what's included, make sure you're comfortable with the communication. Only after you've confirmed your clinic and treatment dates should you book flights. Step 3. Book your flights from the UK or the US and you'll fly into Istanbul Airport, amazing airport, budget airlines available from the US and the UK. Book your flight to arrive one day before your first appointment. That gives you time to settle in, recover from jet lag, and be fresh for your first consultation. Step 4. Sort out accommodation. Most package deals include your hotel, which makes this easy. The clinic will book it for you. It's usually a 4 or 5-star hotel near the clinic, breakfast included. If your package doesn't include accommodation, book a hotel, same area where your clinic is. You don't want to be traveling across the city between appointments in Antalya or Istanbul. Step 5. Understand timeline. Most treatments need 5 to 7 days. Some patients add extra days at the beginning or the end for tourism. Here's a typical schedule. Day 1, arrive, settle in. Day 2, first clinic appointment, consultation, treatment planning. Day 3, main procedure begins. Day 4 and 5, continue treatment, possibly temporary teeth fitted. Day 6, final appointment, permanent teeth fitted. Day 7, follow-up check and fly home. Some treatments, like all-on-4, require 2 trips with months in between for healing. Step 6. Prepare what to pack. Obviously, bring your normal travel items, but also bring your dental records if you have them. Any x-rays or scans, a list of your medications, your regular toothbrush and toothpaste. After treatment, you'll get special dental care items, but bring your usual stuff too. Step 7. Sort out money payments. Most clinics accept payments by bank transfer before you travel or by card when you arrive. Credit cards usually have foreign transaction fees, so check with your bank. Step 8. Arrange travel insurance. This is important. Regular travel insurance usually doesn't cover dental treatment, but it covers things like flight cancellation, lost luggage, and medical emergencies unrelated to your dental work. Step 9. Plan what to do in your free time. You'll have several days in Turkey with gaps between appointments. Don't just sit in your hotel. It's Istanbul. Visit the Blue Mosque, Hagia Sophia, Grand Bazaar, Topkapi Palace, take a bus for a cruise, and explore the markets. Step 10. Understand the recovery and aftercare. After veneers, your teeth might be sensitive for a few days. Stick to soft foods. After implants, expect swelling for a few weeks. Take pain medications with you. Your clinic will give you detailed aftercare instructions. Follow them carefully. Most clinics stay in touch with you via WhatsApp after going home. If you have any concerns, message them immediately. Also, arrange a checkup with your UK or US dentist few weeks after you return just to confirm everything is healing properly. Step 11. Think about your second visit if needed. If you're getting implants, you'll need to come back after 3 to 6 months for the permanent teeth. Plan this in advance. Some people combine the second visit with a proper holiday since appointments are shorter. You might only need 2 to 3 days for the second visit instead of a full week. Here's what most people don't think about but should. Learn few basic Turkish phrases. Hello, merhaba, thank you, teşekkürler. It's respectful and locals appreciate the effort. Download Google Translate app, it works offline if you download Turkish language package. Get a local SIM card at the airport for data. They're cheap, around 10 to 15 pounds for a week of unlimited data. This way you can use maps, WhatsApp and stay connected. Respect the culture. Turkey is a Muslim country but also very westernized, especially in tourist areas. Dress modestly when visiting mosques. Be respectful during prayer times. My final advice, don't stress. Thousands of UK and US patients do dental tourism in Turkey every year. It's a well-established system. The clinics know exactly how to handle international patients. Everything will be organized for you. You just need to show up and follow the plan. And here's where I come. When you work with me, I help you plan everything. I connect you with the right clinic. I help you understand the timeline. I advise you on which city to choose. I make sure your package includes everything you need. I'm available on WhatsApp through your trip if you have any questions or concerns. So, planning a dental holiday in Turkey doesn't have to be complicated with the right guidance. It's actually really straightforward. And the combination of getting your dream smile plus exploring an incredible country like Turkey will be amazing. If you're ready to start that trip, fill out the free consultation form below with your treatment needs and travel preferences, or you could WhatsApp me directly for personalized advice. Let's plan your perfect dental holiday to Turkey together. You're going to come back with an amazing smile and incredible memories. Reach out today.